Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can automatically adjust the width and height of Excel cells. Let's do this. For adjust height and width, select your cells. On the top bar, tap on Format. Choose row height. Enter the size you want. And then tap on OK. As you can see, all of the cells has been changed. Again, tap on Format. Choose column width. And again, choose the size you want. And then finish. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like, and for more content like this, please subscribe to support me. Thank you.